I wanted to talk to you today about values. Years ago, I had trouble with values in my paintings, but I did not know because I did not understand about how important values were in my work. And of course, I was getting fooled by the colors. It was all about the colors, and I forgot about how important the values had to play in my paintings. I want to give you 5 tips that will help you to understand more about values and hopefully will improve your paintings. The first tip is to paint with a limited palette. That will help you to focus on the tones rather than the colors. The second tip is to take a picture of your painting and turn it black and white in your device. This way you will see it right away if you have a good contrast in your work. Tip number 3, avoid making a 50-50% split of your values in your composition. Try to make the relationship between the dark and the light maybe 70% versus 30% or 60 versus 40%. That will make your composition and your design much stronger. Tip number 4, use a high contrast in value to create a very strong focal point. Tip number 5, when you're getting close to finish your painting, I recommend that you dim the light and then let your eyes adjust to the dark and then look at your painting. And let's see if you notice a contrast in your painting in the almost dark from a distance. And you will see if your work has a good sense of value in your work. Well, I hope that these 5 tips will help you in the future for your paintings. And I'm looking forward to see you next time.